This is the micro reps down, by far probably my favourite Stone Island coats. These do fetch a pretty penny. We've got another OVD jumper in a dark green this time. It looks like it's in very, very nice condition. Look at that, look at the pattern on that. They are completely sold out in the UK. What is happening, people, and welcome back to Clobber Island. A big thank you for all of those that have been subscribing. I apologise for not uploading as much lately, but hopefully we are back now. I'm going to try and do more regular uploads and just get some more content out there for you guys. Today we're going to be doing another massive unboxing. Yeah, let me know in the comments which item was your favourite. So I hope you enjoy this video and let's get into it. Okay guys, so I've got a big box of stock right here. We just spent about £4,500. So let's get into it and show you what we got. Alright, first out of the box, we have got some black Stone Island cargos. These look like they're in really nice condition. And these ones are a 38 waist. Everything will be on our website as well, so if you do want any of this stuff, head over to the website. YouTube stuff does come out a little bit later, so if you do want to get on our stock drops as soon as possible, just drop us a follow on Instagram at Clobber Island, just so you don't miss out on any stock drops. So we've got nice black cargos. We're going to sell these for £150. Obviously you guys know these retail for like nearly £400 brand new. Obviously these aren't brand new, but they're in really nice condition, and I mean for 150 quid you can't go wrong. Okay, and then up next we have got some Stone Island joggers. We've got some navy blue ones and some grey ones as well. Absolutely love the Stony joggers. They're so nice and soft, aren't they? These ones are brand new with tags. They are both XXLs. So they retail for £340. They're in the sale at the moment for £238. I would probably put my website for about £210. So yeah, just to make sure we're staying below those sale prices and beating the shops all the time. Couple pairs of Stone Island jeans here as well. We've got some 30 waist ones and 32 waist ones. As you guys know, these are discontinued. So yeah, we'll sell these for about £110 each. Stone Island navy ghost jacket here. Absolutely love these pieces, really, really smart. You know, if you're wearing like chinos, you can wear this on top. Just a really, really smart piece. Absolutely love it. This one's a 2XL. And we can do this one for about £350. It's used, but it's in lovely condition. These retail for well over £600, I believe. Up next, we've got this black Stone Island overshirt. It looks like really, really nice condition. This one is in a size large, and we'll sell this one for £145 only. Check this out, absolutely beautiful Stone Island knit. Yeah, so this is a wool knit in yellow, very, very soft, absolutely beautiful. This one again is brand new with tags, and I'll probably sell this for about £190. What we got next? Stone Island grey cargos in a 36 waist. Again, absolutely beautiful condition on these. We'll be asking for £150 on the website. Up next, we've got a membrana. Can you guys guess the size? Too big for me. It's a 3XL, this one. In beautiful, beautiful condition. This will be on the website for £310. You guys know how much these retail for. Beautiful, beautiful condition, that one. That'd be a bargain for £310. Up next, a Stone Island black sweatshirt. It's a standard black sweatshirt, but it does have Stone Island written across the chest. Can you see that? I really like these ones. Just gives that extra bit of detailing on the jumper. We'll sell this one for £100 in lovely condition again. And that one was a 3XL. Oh, what do we have here? Stone Island Shadow Project fishtail coat. Check this out. I'm gonna have to try it on. It's a size large. What do we think? Very, very smart. Like a nice dark green colour. Love the Shadow Project pieces. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. You got the inside lining as well to keep warm. We'll probably sell this about £420. It is in beautiful, beautiful condition, and I believe these retailed for about £950. I'm not 100% sure, it might be more than that. What else we got? Let's have a little look. Next thing out of the box is a nylon metal watro. Nylon metal watro jacket in navy blue. And this one here is in a size 3XL again. So we've got enough, we've got quite a lot of big boy clothes coming out of this box, which is very, very handy. Because honestly, my best customers are definitely the 2XL, 3XL kind of guys. They buy a lot of Stone Island off us. So the 3XL stuff just flies out, it just literally goes. So another nylon metal watro, again in lovely condition, and we'll do that for £310 as well. Up next, we've got some navy cargos. These are brand new with tags, and these are a size 34, these ones. Brand new with tags cargos, like I say, they sell for £380 in the shop. I would probably sell these for about £220. More cargos. Check out these ones. They're different, aren't they? A little bit of a different style. Have you ever seen cargos like this? They got like the utility pocket on the sides. They got a zip down there, pockets on the sides. They're nice, they are. Very, very smart cargos. These are brand new with tags also, and these are a size 34, and they're a low fitting. Let me just check, see how much it's selling for online. Okay, so we're just having a quick look online, see what these are going for. They're nice, they are. Stone Island men's straight fit cargos. Sold out everywhere, retailed for £363. Just to get a rough idea, rough pricing, you know. Yeah, it says another reseller selling them there for £260. So I'd probably match that kind of price, given the style of the cargos. Yeah, so we'll be looking at sort of between £240 and £260. These cargos, brand new with tags, lovely beige colour in size 34 as well, which is a very, very popular size. Up next, we've got everyone's favourite, the OVD jumper. Look at this one. This one is a thinner, lightweight jumper. But yeah, you can see it's got the OVD badge on it. It's brand new with tags, like a nice lime green colour. These ones I won't be selling for as much as I would if it was a thicker one. Obviously, given the fact it's a bit of a thinner jumper, I will probably be asking for about £180 on this, brand new with tags, which I think is a fair price. Very, very popular jumpers. Lovely, lovely. I've got one myself. Absolutely love them. And here we go. We've got another OVD jumper in a dark green this time. Now this one's more like the thicker one, like the winter style one. This one's used, but again, it looks like it's in very, very nice condition. And we will be asking for, again, about £180 on this one, given the fact it's a thicker jumper. Worth a bit more, they fetch a bit more, you know how it is. But yeah, I love the badges on these. Proper cool, aren't they? Very, very, very nice. Got this, beautiful lamb's wool, heavy fleece jumper. Look at that, look at the pattern on that. That is absolutely stunning. These, I believe, are completely sold out in the UK, or they were last time I checked. And the only place you can get them from was abroad. And obviously, if you do get stuff from abroad, you're going to pay a bit of tax on it when it comes into the country. And I believe they're about £330, but you're looking at the tax, it will cost you about 400 quid. So I believe they're about £400 to get brand new with tags in England. So what I will be selling it for is £270 brand new with tags. Bargain. So yeah, clobberisland.co.uk if you want this size large. It's absolutely beautiful, that. This beautiful Musala Gamata jacket in this sort of, what colour would you say that was? Like a grey brown kind of colour. Very, very, very nice. Obviously wind resistant, water resistant. We all know Musala Gamata. Very, very nice all weather kind of jackets with the padding on the inside as well. And this one as well is a 30th anniversary. So yeah, very, very beautiful piece. Again, looks like it's in lovely, lovely condition. We'll probably be selling this on the website for about £280. So if you do want this, go grab it. Up next, we've got the beautiful red membrana with the zips going across it. I really, really like these membranas. I think they're very, very nice, very smart pieces. They've got loads of pockets. You've got your pockets on there, you've got pockets in the front. You've got the adjustable cuffs with a Velcro as well. Really stiff it is, and they also Velcro on the inside of the zip as well. I think these are like perfect festival jackets. So yeah, if you've got a festival coming up, this one is a size large. Go on the website and grab it. I think this one will be going, I can't think how much I'll sell this for, but again, it'll be a bargain compared to brand new with tags. And yeah, our prices are very, very, very fair. So go check it out on the website if you're interested in this. It's in beautiful, beautiful condition as well. Up next, we've got some green cuffed cargos. These ones are in a size 34 regular. 34 regular green cuff cargos. These will not hang about. If you do want these, go check them out. They might already be gone. And if they are gone, drop us a follow on Instagram at Clobber Island, because that way you won't miss out on the stock drops. Because I put it on my story. YouTube obviously takes a while to edit and stuff like that. It doesn't go out as quickly as I want it to. But Instagram is like very, very up to date. Daily content, all that kind of stuff. So make sure you drop us a follow over there. But yeah, we've got 34 waist cargos. Again, we'll put these up for £150 on the website. They're beautiful, they are. Then we've got this Stone Island technical sweater / t-shirt. This is very, very nice. It hasn't got the arm badge. It's got Stone Island written there at the bottom. Very, very nice. It's kind of like that gym top material. It's cotton and polyester. I do love that material in a t-shirt / jumper as well. It'd be a really thin sweatshirt or like a nice thick t-shirt. It'll be going on the website for about £170, brand new with tags. Up next, we've got some ghost cargos. These ones are black as well. These are absolutely stunning. These will probably fly out. These are a 30 waist, these ones. again in lovely condition. How sick are Stone Island Ghost cargos? Absolutely love them. You got that incognito mode on. You don't have to double badge too much because you can wear Ghost cargos and a Stony jacket and no one thinks you're wearing 2 Stonies, do you know what I mean? I think it's on the website for about £210, which I think is a bargain. Might be too cheap, might be like £220, but don't hold me to that. And then up next, we've got the nylon metal Stone Island sweatshirt. This one's in a size small, but it looks massive. So I think it'll probably fit more like a medium. It's like a nice burgundy colour, which, as a West Ham fan, is my favourite colour. Unfortunately, it'll be too small for me. But yeah, we'll probably sell it for about 150 quid on the website. It looks like it's in amazing condition as well. Bargains everywhere, all over the gaff. What else do we have in the box? We're coming to the end now. Have we saved the best till last? We've still got one more. This is a Stone Island black parka, which it looks like. Find out what it actually is. So this is a water repellent Supima cotton with Primaloft insulation technology. Yeah, it's a big coat, it's a heavy coat. It's got the Primaloft insulation in there to keep you warm. It's a size XL, this one. Unfortunately, it does seem like this has got a bit of wear to it. You can see it's got a bit of a batter in there. It's a little bit faded. The cuffs have been a little bit battered on this one. Now, I did know this before I bought it. I did speak to my supplier about it and he did give me a very good deal on it. So I'm going to be in return, if anyone's not too bothered about a few little flaws, we're going to be doing a deal on this. We're going to do this for £270. Now, if this wasn't flawed, it'd be going for like £450. So that's an absolute steal. But yeah, I'll bang it on and show you. So this is what it looks like. Again, like I say, it really depends what you really want the coat for, right? If you're going out for nice meals now, this might not be what you want to wear. But if you're going to go to the football and it's going to get ruined anyway, and it's going to get beer down it, you're not too bothered and you might scrape it, perfect, do you know what I mean? You get yourself a real Stony, 270 quid, you can't really go wrong. You're going to be warm in it as well. So yeah, it really does depend. This is why also we do sell stuff that's got flaws and also stuff that's pristine, right? Because we never know what people actually want the items for. Some people are too scared to spend loads of money on clothes and then ruin it. Some people go places where they know they're going to ruin their clothes or whatever, so they like to buy an item that's maybe got a bit of a flaw, but they're going to save 50, 60, 70 quid. In this case, you're saving 200 quid, do you know what I mean? So one of them, it is going to be on the website if anyone wants it. It is an XL and it does fit very, very nicely, very warm. But yeah. And then finally, I have saved the best till last. My favourite Stone Island coat, one that I personally have myself. This is the Micro Reps down with the fur hoods on them. By far, probably my favourite Stone Island coats, you know, like winter coats. This one's in a lovely green colour, in beautiful condition. These do fetch a pretty penny. We sell this about 500 quid, which if you ask me, is money well spent. You can't go wrong with investing in yourself in a proper winter coat. I'm gonna bang it on and show you. But you know, considering these coats do sell for about £1,000 in Stone Island, if you find yourself one that's in lovely condition, 500 quid, you cannot go wrong, can you? They're very, very warm. I absolutely love my one, wear it all the time. So yeah, that was the last thing in the box, guys. I hope you did enjoy this video. And if you do have any questions at all, just drop them down below. And check out our website, clobberisland.co.uk. We have weekly drops on there, stock coming all the time. I'm gonna try my hardest to upload more as much as I can. Christmas was manic, as I mentioned earlier in the video. But yeah, it's a new year and I'm looking to get back on YouTube, making more content. So let me know what kind of content you guys are looking for. I really appreciate you all for subscribing to the channel. I appreciate you watching this video if you got this far, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.